Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about why how can we off adaptive brightness in our Samsung phone. And friends, how can you solve guys your brightness settings? So in this video friends we will talk about guys Samsung phone or adaptive brightness, how to turn off. So before starting video, when first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all we will turn on our phone setting to of adaptive brightness, then guys scroll it friends, you can see phone display setting friends and brightness setting. Click here and scroll friends, you can see your adaptive brightness setting friends. You want to off, you can off from this right side icon. And after off guys, you can use guys your brightness setting according to yourself guys. You want to decrease, you want to increase, you can use, you can customize according to yourself guys. So like that guys, you can turn off your adaptive brightness in your Samsung phone and you can use your brightness setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.